What is up? Good morning, everybody, or afternoon or evening, whenever you're watching this. I decided to do a basic bitch hygiene routine, specifically because everybody's got so much money on YouTube. And what about the people like me that don't got thousands of dollars on skincare? You know what I'm saying? So I was like, why not? So I'm wetting my hair here like you normally would if you're washing it. I don't wash my hair every day, but it definitely was a hair washing type of day. This shampoo is from Art Naturals. I like it because it has apple cider vinegar in it. Apple cider vinegar is really good for balancing the pH in your hair. You can also do like a rinse, an apple cider vinegar rinse, which I love to do because it makes my curls flaky, I swear. And I know you're not really supposed to wash your hair with really, really hot water. Like, I'm very much aware of this, but when I'm washing it with shampoo, I just need it piping hot. Like, it's not good for your hair, guys. I wouldn't suggest it. I give it 0 stars, but I like hot showers until I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Then I'm like, gotta get out of here. So this is also Art Naturals conditioner. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I like it, but the detangling process, which you'll see, is literally a nightmare. So I'm wrapping up my hair, gotta let the conditioner sink in, and I'm using Native body wash specifically because it's super clean. I have PCOS, so I try to use as many clean products as possible. Anything that's natural, no SLSs, as much as I can find, because that hormone imbalance can come from the products that you use on your body, believe it or not. I'm pretty sure this scent is like eucalyptus. I can't remember, but I like to smell like I just came from the spa. And look at how well it lathers. And you just see that hump on the back of my neck? You see that thing? That is like a sign of pre-diabetes. So if you have like a really dark neck or like a hump on your back, just reach out to your doctor, make sure that you're okay. Like I said, I do have a hormonal imbalance, and I really do want to make sure that I have like really good eating habits, but that's besides the point. Look how delicious this looks. I want to hop in the shower just watching myself lather my body like this. On a more in-depth shower day, I would probably exfoliate after this, but or if I'm shaving, I'll exfoliate before I shave. But this is a very, like I said, basic bitch routine. So I use a completely separate soap for my vaginal area. That is Goddess of the Sea. Obviously, I can't show you that. Shower got too hot. I had to like blow on it. But I will link that in the description box because you got to take care of your hoo-ha. You know what I'm saying? And speaking of hoo-ha, I mean, I literally have a vaginal routine. Like, every time it's my time of the month, like right after I use boric acid. If you guys want a separate video on that, let me know. As you can see, I'm struggling with my hair here. It's just this conditioner. I have so many problems detangling. Like, I don't know what it is. And this brush is called Easy Detangler, and usually it is easy to detangle, but I don't know what it is about this conditioner. I just be struggling, but I'm tender-headed, so I'll link this comb in the description box if you have a hard time with tender-headedness. Is that even a word, tender-headedness? Okay, so I actually rinse my hair with cool water, so I don't actually rinse the conditioner out with that piping hot water like I wash my hair with. Just drying myself off, and I'm putting on this robe. It's really wet, actually. I did not do a good job of drying off my body. This toothpaste is a very clean toothpaste, coconut oil base. I like it. I feel like it naturally whitens my teeth. And to be quite honest, the toothpaste that is FDA approved, a lot of that stuff actually makes you go to the dentist a lot more. So I would just suggest looking into that for yourself. I don't wash my face in the shower. Obviously, I'm out here washing it now. This is just like some travel size fresh beauty that I got. And since I've been staying with my dad, it's just easier for me to use travel sizes because I don't have enough space. Luckily, I got that from my birthday gift from Sephora. I really love their rose toner as well from that brand. So I usually after this will pat my face dry, not too dry because you know you got to put some more products. Just a disclaimer, you probably shouldn't put an oil on your face first. This is Biosense. I love their squalane oil. You probably shouldn't put this on first, you know? You probably should put all your other skincare stuff on first and then like use the oil. But I just love the way it feels on my skin. So I put it on before my Laneige moisturizer. Like I said, more travel sizes. It's just been a lot easier. So typically I wear my hair wrapped up, but I can't find any of my hair towels. I showed you 2 bottles. One was Pattern Beauty's leave-in and another one was a water spray bottle. I diluted the leave-in into this bottle because the actual spray bottle broke on the Pattern Beauty and it is travel size again. I like doing that because I get a little bit of the leave-in, and water is really good for your hair anyway, so I figure why not. Then I'm gonna use the leave-in cream. I don't use multiple products. Typically when I do my hair, I'm only using 1 product, maybe 2 with the leave-in and a styling cream. My hair does not do well with too many products. If I were to put like a gel on top of this, it would be crusty musty within 24 hours. Pattern Beauty smells like Black woman. If you ever wanted to know what Black woman smells like, that's what you know. So I'm showing you this because I don't use it. I wanted to know if you guys can put in the comments if that deodorant burns you. Every time I spray myself, it literally hurts. So I changed to the native deodorant. The only thing is native deodorant is really expensive. So is this lotion Eucerin? It's like $10. I mean, maybe it's not expensive to like rich people, but like I feel like $10 for your deodorant, I think that's kind of crazy. But it is natural, and like I said, with my hormones, I need something natural, no aluminum, and skin cancer, breast cancer runs in my family, so it's very important that I am aware of what I'm putting on my body. Eucerin is not clean from my understanding. I just haven't found a replacement. This is a small Black business. She has like really nice, really good smell, good oils. I like to use this because I burned my arms and my back a couple years back. And I also have like this really annoying dark mark on my elbow that I've been trying to get rid of. I'm going to show you here like what it looks like, but I love putting on an oil after just to lock in the moisture. And like I said, support Black businesses. I love when people are in their kitchen making their products and I get to support them. So actually, it was my time of the month during this video. I know that sounds really gross, but I got through it, and I wanted to show you guys these period panties that I'm wearing from NYX. I have not wore a pad or a tampon in so long. I've been solely relying on period panties. I don't know who that needs to hear that, but if you're having a difficult time, maybe you should try this out. Now I'm gonna just use some spray from Dossier. Dossier does a lot of perfume dupes, and I just really like it because it's inexpensive. And it's very clean, and they have popular scents like Mon Paris. So that's it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah!
So do you want me to? Want me to? So do you want me to?